Crolla all-time best-seller car seat Nex 360, now with the upgrade version of a R129 certified with European Safety Standard. Let's welcome Crolla Nex 360 R129 ISOFIX car seat from Malaysia. Support from newborn up to 150 cm, approximately 12 years old. What we're looking at is a premium gold series, having a gold lining right here, gold color seat belt, soft form, nice cushion, neat and tidy padding, built in with a real thick infant padding with ventilation fabrics. And the original seat is nice cushion too. This infant padding can remove stage by stage from head support, body support and the back support. Multiple adjustable headrests according to baby height. Total 8 recline position, 4 for forward facing and 4 for rear facing. To spin the car seat is using the same button as recline to spin left or right. Safety features come with a 5-point harness, anti-slip shoulder padding, buckle alert system, head support, side protector and side impact protection system. It's an I-size car seat with certified ECE R129 European Safety Standard with 𝐒𝐫𝐨𝐥𝐿 approval. Installation using ISOFIX and top heater. Come with 3 years product warranty and a lifetime 1-to-1 crash exchange warranty. In summary, Crolla Nex 360 R129 car seat is easy to handle with one hand, easy to install, nice cushion, comfortable for baby. If you like this car seat, let's check out at My Lovely Baby for extra value. Thank you for watching. I'm Joseph, Baby Boss.